in Delhi Apollo Hospital. We have all type of patients coming to Indraprasth Apollo Hospital, which is a 5-star facility with a high standard of technical and treatment. We do in cath lab lot of patients with complex angioplasty. Today I am sitting with Dr. Jadhav and Dr. Chinmay Gupta here, and Dr. Jadhav, who is the star of radiation therapy, especially for the oncology patients, cancer treatment. And we have acquired one of the best and fastest machine for the malignant tumor, which has a limited small size, and with the help of this radiation therapy we can treat and cure the patients. So let's have the expert view of Dr. Jadhav, who will tell a little more about the machine and also the treatment planning.
Hello. Today we have with us a patient of ocular melanoma referred to me by Professor Vivek Gupta. This patient has been planned under sedation for the Xapex treatment. So this is a one-time treatment of the melanoma lesion in the eye. The treatment will take about 40 minutes to be treated, and then after that the patient is free to go home. And we will be following up this patient every month or two till we find the results. Thank you.
I just wanted to know, for my cure, I am a stranger, I would say I am a cardiologist, I do not know a lot, and a lot of people who will be listening may not be aware of this machine. So I am giving a small turnaround, and this is the machine which is, what is the full form of this machine?
This machine is called Xapex. This is a gyroscopic stereotactic machine which can treat brain tumors and ocular tumors, and also those functional lesions like trigeminal neuralgia, Parkinson's, essential tremors. We can treat them on this machine very accurately and precisely.
I just wanted to know for my, that means it is for all the tumors, or it is only for a specific tumors, we should know, and how this machine is better than, because this is the first in Asia, which I feel that this is the first in Asia, and the name of this Xapex.
Southeast Asia.
Yes.
This is the first machine we have procured for Apollo, Indraprasth Apollo, Delhi, and we have been treating quite a good number of brain tumors, particularly meningiomas, pituitary tumors, acoustic schwannomas, etc., and also few metastases, brain metastases from other cancers in the body. Today we have taken up this patient with ocular melanoma, which is going to be a very precise treatment in the eyeball. So this is more of a challenging treatment today what we have done, and this is perhaps the second time, other than one case in Europe, this is the second time we are doing on a Xapex with this for this indication.
That means this is a non-surgical, where the malignant cells, they completely go off, and the tumor which is there, they vanish within how much time?
This melanoma will take a long time to go because this is a very slow tumor. In fact, this patient, the other option for this patient was to undergo enucleation. That is, the patient would have undergone surgery and lost the eye. But because of Xapex, today we have preserved the eye, which may be of cosmetic value to the patient because this is a female patient, and we are trying to preserve the vision as well. Let's see over time how much of vision the patient retains, and rest the tumor is well under control or may disappear after some time.
So this is a wonder machine where most of the tumors, small size, less than 1 centimeter?
Yeah, less than 1 centimeter.
Less than 1 centimeter can be, actually they dissolve over a period of time,
Yeah.
and they vanish, and therefore the surgery may not be required. Otherwise, neurosurgery itself is a not only a painful procedure, not a painful, but it takes long time, but also it can also have a damage to the nearby areas. So it prevents neurosurgery, it prevents opening of the skull, and also it is almost curable. So I would like to understand a few of the images which you are seeing. Can you just explain a few quickly? This is
The patient is inside the gyroscopic robotic machine of Xapex, and we have 4 cameras which we monitor the patient's position. The patient is right now sedated to maintain the position of the eyeball, and we are monitoring this patient. There is an anesthetist standing outside who has been monitoring the sedation of this patient. So the patient is lying still. There is no eye movement while during the treatment.
How long is the procedure?
It is taking about 50 minutes or 45 minutes for the whole process.
Thank you very much, Dr. Jadhav, and it was a pleasure. I am working in Apollo Hospital for almost like 25 years. We have our chairman, Dr. Pratap Reddy, is very keen to have the best of the machines. And we had the first, I think, robotic also, first Zapex and first 64 slice CT scan. I remember about 10 years back that we had the first in Asia, about 64 slice CT scan. Now we have Zapex. So Apollo is known for doing the first treatment, and we are very happy to be working in this organization. And we hope that this patient came to me from Srinagar, and we thought we can give the best treatment to them. And with the help of Dr. Jadhav and our team members, we are able to do our best of the team. And so thank you very much, the whole team of Apollo, and myself. I would like to congratulate myself as well, because being a part of Apollo, and we are happy to be here. And hopefully we'll follow up this patient and do the best. Dr. Chinmay Gupta is also with me. Thank you, Dr. Jadhav, for giving the great inputs which I did not know myself.
Thank you.